Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid and today I will tell you that how you can add the number in MS Excel 2013. So in this tutorial I will train you about the two methods by which you can make the sum. So first one formula is equal to, as I already mentioned, every formula will be starting from is equal to. Is equal to is the symbol of the formula. If I want to insert formula, so it will be start from is equal to sum mean I want to sum it, and then I will make the range, okay, and I will make the parentheses close and put enter, and it will calculate all the digits. So other formula is the other method to calculating is I just put my cursor here, and here is the option of auto sum. Okay, auto sum. Why it is not calculating 805? First of all I will make them values, and okay, now this is okay with the sheet, and I will press on auto sum and enter, and it will give me the sum of all the digits. So these are the two basic and very simple ways for the calculation. So this is all for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will learn about how to insert comments. Okay, so the next thing that is you have to do, that is to subscribe my channel and give me the feedback. Thank you so much for your time.